When visiting the Iditarod Cafe in McGrath,
it's strange for them. It's very strange for them.
There are a few things you'd expect to see on the menu. And this
Got white rice,
is not one of them.
crawfish étouffée, and gator.
James Nichols normally works as a chef on a boat off the coast of Louisiana in the Gulf of Mexico. But for the last few weeks,
I'm having fun here.
for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, he's brought a taste of the South to the last frontier.
Smothered chicken, barbecue chicken, fried alligator, crawfish étouffée, down south gumbo.
And everyone who's come through so far has been eating it up.
Thank you. It's been wonderful. I had alligator for the first time yesterday.
Chopped gator and little nuggets.
It tasted like chicken, but there was a little bit of a fishy taste to it. It was good.
They're loving it so far. They are coming through fast and ordering it, so I love the way the people come here and how they acting about it.
And while salmon, caribou, and moose remain a staple of the Alaskan diet, here in McGrath, for at least a little while,
Fried gator.
it's all about the gator and crawfish.